pretty specific. 13 minutes.
Welcome, guys.
Thank you.
So I think they're
There goes the lucky lizard. Lucky lizard. There's a turtle one too.
Alright, we're gonna wait till we start going now. Probably 12 minutes.
Want to be in the front, huh?
Yeah, so we can record. Yeah. Oh, front row empty. Okay, go back one.
How about this one? This one too?
No, you can sit in that corner.
You want to sit in the corner?
No, it's okay. This way. Nobody's gonna be in front of us.
Not until they get the last people in, and then they're going to send them right here. I'm telling you.
Like a bajillion people.
I'm telling you. That's our luck.
Go sit over there then.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice. So excited, huh? Maybe this would be a good time to try out my new lens. While we're waiting. You guys excited?
Yeah.
Tell us where we're going.
Ooh, it's windy. Ay, that's cold.
Okay, let's go. Let's journey to the beach club.
Oh, I think the party's over.
Alright. We're on our way. We're on our way. Oh, Royal Beach Club. Here we go. Royal Beach Club. Oh, it's just cold.
It's freezing.
Getting in the party, guys. All right, you still reach your destination, guys. But have a lot of fun. All right. Sure.
Whoa. Safe? Is that safe? Bumper boats. Bumper boats. You think that's funny? You think that's so funny? Bumper boat. Bumper boat.
Alright, guys. Reach your destination. Let's get in there and have some fun. A lot of fun.
Thank you.
Alright, guys. Enjoy your day. Have a wonderful day. Alright, guys. Enjoy your day.
Let's go.